Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave Presentations. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix the various type of the tiles in the flooring works such as vitrified, marble, checkered, IPS and many more. Flooring and tile fixing work is a procedure and a polishing is a skilled job. Theoretically, this gets a least importance, but practically speaking, it is an important activity which gives the admirable look to the flats. Good flooring enhances the appearance of the flat. A number of manufacturing factories manufacturing tiles of different sizes, patterns, designs. The cost varies as per the quality of the tiles. Here I show you some sort of a tile fixing works images. Okay. Types of flooring tile works: vitrified tile works, polished tiling works such as Kota, Sahabat, Tandoor and natural stones, marble and granite flooring work, rough Sahabat flooring work, ceramic tiles flooring, IPS flooring, checkered tile flooring. Tools required for the flooring works: trowel, which is known as a tapi, mortar pan, spades, etc. Wooden batten of 2 meter, that is 6 feet length. PVC tube level, spirit level, a right angle, string, that is known as a line duri, wooden mallet, wooden float, that is a randa, that is 1.5 meter long, 200 liter capacity water storage facilities, small chisels and hammer, firma for a dressing work, wooden firma template for cutting references, tile cutting machines, equipment for cutting glaze tiles, polishing machines. See, these are the images of the various tools which has been used for the tiling work has been shown here. Vitrified tiles. Following checks has to be carried out after receiving the vitrified tiles at the site. The tiles and cuttings are in the same lot. This can be checked by color stripes marked at one side and on the sides of the skirting. Stake the tiles a lot wise. Ensure that corners of the vitrified tiles and cuttings are sharp and broken. The percentage of the broken tiles should not exceed 3%. Tiles should be rejected if this percentage is more. Check the diagonals and the size of the tiles. No variation in the tile size should be allowed. Check the tiles for a straightness. Corners of the tile should not be bent. Hand polish a vitrified tiles and skirting from the received lot with the help of the polished stone or a brick bat. Ensure that they match. Also see that the chips are neatly and evenly distributed. Submit these type of tiles to the head office with the quality report. Send 6 numbers of tiles from each 20,000 lots for a laboratory for a inspection. Generally, aberration test, absorption test and average traverse test are carried out in the laboratory. Right angle checking. See, this is the methodology to check the right angles. Procedure for a vitrified tile flooring and tile fixing. First, surface preparation. For flooring and tile fixing work procedure, the surface should be cleaned and leveled. There should not be any cement mortar lumps on the slab and corners of the room. There should be a sufficient cutting margin from the surface level. Generally, it should be 9 inches from the slab surfaces. Lime mortar preparation. Lime mortar or a bedding mortar under the flooring should be prepared well in advance before flooring and tile fixing work. The mortar is prepared in lime mixer or a mortar mill chunagani in the proportion of 1:3:3. There is 1 being lime and 3 being sand and single respectively. It should be spread evenly in all rooms with reference to the level dot, that is tias. Taking reference level flooring. On the main door frame of the flat, marked a fixed line. Okay, from that floor and transfer this fixed marking to all other door frames of all flats on that particular floor of the building. Also transfer this level on the walls and mark lines on the walls temporarily with the help of a red color. These lines prove useful for checking the level tiles of work at machan work at all stages. After taking the marking in all the rooms, proceed with the bedding work. Take a level dots below every level marking in the corners. With the help of these corners, level dots, take a level dots in the center line of the rooms. By holding a line diagonally in the room, the center to center spacing between the two level dots should not exceed 6 feet. Now prepare a uniform layer of a mortar throughout the flat and allow to set it for at least minimum 12 hours. Ensure that the tiles in this machan are fixed within 3 days. Otherwise, the machan hardens. The thickness of the mortar bedding shall not be less than 12 mm, not exceed 40 mm for ideal flooring. See, the above image will show you how the machan has been prepared. Material shifting to the workplace. Always take the required number of tiles and cuttings in one lot from the kitchen water to avoid confusion during the execution. Do not chisel any columns for cutting work. For columns, only use half thickness cutting tiles that are prepared in the factory by removing part of the mortar layer in the cutting tile. Setting on the right angle tiles. This is the most important part of the preparation for flooring and fixing procedures. First, fix the right angle, taking into the consideration to the longest span of the room to ensure that there will be the minimum wastage of the tiles and therefore minimum cutting work. Now fixing the string line from the right angle corner with one corner reference line. In the reference right angle string does not match the wall, then do the adjust in the difference in the skirting. See, this is the way how we are going to do the level. See, this is the reference level has been marked. This is the right angle what we have fixed in the corner. From here we will be going it. Okay, this is the TS. So you can put a straight duris and you can check it out the tiles are been placed in a proper level or not. Procedure of flooring. Prepare the cement slurry in 1 is of 1.5 bags in 100 liter. Start fixing tile from the reference line and reference line tiles diagonally. Spread the cement slurry of honey-like consistency on the mortar bed over as much area it can be covered with the tiles within an hour. Match all the 4 corners of the tiles properly with the help of the wooden mallet. For the vitrified tiles in a particular sequence for better results and fine joints. Except for balconies, bath and toilet, complete the flooring of the unit per day for better bonding and uniform quality work. If there are 2 types of the tiles, that is example living room is ivory and bedrooms are grey, break the joint at the shutter groove line or the inside of the masonry in the inner room if door is not provided. After completing the tiling work of the floor, check the overall level. Any unevenness can be rectified with a wooden mallet. The gaps between the walls and the floors are fixed with the cut pieces of the tile. These cut pieces can be made with a tile cutting machine to avoid the wastage of the tiles. Then clean the floor and do not allow anybody to enter the flat for at least a day. Check the next day, fill the gap filling, join between the tiles with the cement slurry. Ensure that the slurry is properly mixed with the water and get a homogeneous mixture. Then cure this flooring and skirting for a minimum of 14 days. Marking mortar bed level. See, this is the way the mortar bed level has to be marked. See, here you can see the tape. This is the tiers. From here you can hold your two strings and refer the depth so that you can match the tiles in an even surface. Cutting fixing. Wooden firma as shown in the adjoining figure should be prepared with a wooden putty. With the help of this firma, cutting tiles is fixed, projecting only 8 mm from the wall plaster. Fix cutting also 2 ends of the walls with the firma, projecting only 8 mm outside the plaster. This is as easy as 9 inches plaster from the bottom is not done. Masonry of the Fernie layer is done as described. Then between the skirting tiles are fixed with the help of the wooden firma. All the skirtings should project only 8 mm from the wall plaster. Keep the skirting in one line. The plaster of the long lines may differ in line, hence fixing the skirting in the two corners will help you in keep it. For skirting of internal walls, a clear margin of both sides is to get accommodate the skirting. Ensure that the skirting lines are perpendicular to the vertified tiles. See, this is the type of the firma you have to prepare. You can see this is the skirting depth. You take a wooden mallet, cut of the depth so that when you put it to the handle, so the tiles will touch here so that you can know how it is been matching. See, this is a demonstration which I shown it here. Flooring of balconies. Give a proper slope to allow the water to flow through the spout. During the flooring of tiles, fixing work procedure balcony. For this, at least 1 inch slope towards the spout is enough. Fix the spout away from the side wall, considering 1 tile distance to prevent the water from staking in the balcony area. Confirm from the working drawings whether the drop is in the levels of the balcony. If not there, marble it according to the drawing. The procedure of marble flooring is same as vitrified flooring except the mortar bed work. In the marble flooring, bedding is prepared from cement mortar in the ratio of 1:6. This is because of the variation of the thickness in the marble pieces. The bedding should be laid in the level. Marble should be fitted immediately using a thick paste of cement slurry, thicker than what we used in the vitrified tile flooring. Marble flooring can also be fixed in a lime mortar if marble of the same thickness is available. Polishing of marble. For marble, either emery stones or specially manufactured for marble polishing should be used. After 2 coats of polishing, marble polishing achieves its natural appearance. In the end, wax should be applied to the entire flooring. Kota tandoor polished Shahabad flooring. Kota stone flooring widely used in offices, commercial buildings, in large living rooms of balconies and flats, while tandoor and polished Shahabad flooring generally used for toilets and medium budget flats. Selection of the material. These are the following criteria. Ensure that the stone tiles do not have any cracks. Strike the stone tiles with a metal piece. The clear ringing sound indicates that there are no cracks in the tile. Reject any cracked stone pieces. Ensure that the stone tiles have an intact structure. Reject any tiles with a loose layers. Color variation is common. As far as possible, select the tiles from the one lot. Apart from this criteria, differences are observed in Kota, Tandoor and Polish Sahabad. As there is very little difference in the texture of Kota and Tandoor, the possibilities of mixing are more. Kota is more expensive than the blue Tandoor and Polish Sahabad. Hence, precaution has to be taken to select the proper material. Kota Tandoor stones. Selection of material. The following criteria has to be considered. Ensure that the stone tiles do not have any crack. Strike the stone with a metal piece. The clear ringing sound indicates that there is no cracks. Ensure the tiles have an intact structure. Reject any tiles. Color variation is common, hence select from the particular lot. See, this is a methodology of removing and replacing broken tiles. Chisel it off, hammer it out and fill with the mortar and fixing it with the polished stones. Procedure for fixing Kota. The procedure is fixing the same as of the marble. The sides of the stone to be dressed, what we call a chiseled, and molded to the minimum joints and maintaining a proper level. Where a number of tiles join together, join between the stones are filled with a grey cement the next day. Joint should not exceed more than 2 mm. The pattern of the flooring can be adjusted in a break joint manner or in a continuous joint. Cutting of the flooring is done for at least 14 days by sprinkling water on the floor. Polishing of Kota Tandoor flooring. Polishing should be done properly. If improper stones are used for polishing, the flooring polishing gets scattered. To avoid, polishing should be done with emery stones only. The sides of the floorings immediately near the skirting should be hand polished with emery stone along with the skirting. For a mirror polish, apply mixture of 50% wax polish, 25% of coconut oil and 25% of kerosene to the stone flooring with a white flat brush. Then clear the area using Dover Stardust. Checkered tile flooring. See, this is the image of the checkered tile flooring. Preparation for checkered floor tiling is as same as of marble and mosaic tiles flooring, but the joints of the checkered tiles are filled with a pigment mixed cement slurry. Also, sufficient slope has to be provided for easy drainage of the water. IPS flooring. This is an Indian pattern stone. It is usually used in important areas such as servant quarters, outhouses, garages, ducts, and machine lift room, etc. How to do the IPS? The surface on which IPS is to be done should be cleaned. All the level and lines should be marked on the door frame or the wall. TRs, that is, level dots on the floor, to be done with a cement mortar 1:4 at every 6 feet interval. See, this is the way of the colored pigment IPS has been done. These levels should be checked by the site engineer for clearance of the further works. Machan of the cement concreting of proportion 1:24 laid throughout the room, and then immediately cement paste of thickness of 2 to 3 mm is applied over this machan to form the uniform layer of the cement. The thickness of the IPS should not exceed 50 mm and the maximum aggregate size should be 12 mm. This work has been done by a skilled mason with a metal floor. After finishing, square checks are made on the surface with a line duri. These square checks or called generally by 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. If you want a colored flooring, in the IPS flooring itself, you can add your choice of the pigment to get a color flooring. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. All the image courtesies are Google images. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation once again. Kindly share with your friends and educate your friends how to do the flooring. Kindly subscribe and motivate me for a further good presentation.